Let it breathe. Turn it up. I used to wake up heavy like the sky was on my chest. Now I wake up grateful cause I made it through the test. I ain't saying life is easy, I'm saying God is real. I got a praise on my tongue and I'm dancing in my heel. They don't know what I survived, what I prayed through. They don't know how many nights I had no breakthrough. But if the enemy thought I stayed down, tell them watch me now. Truth is the spirit in my life. My joy got a sound, hear it now. Even when the world breaks down, it ain't fake, it ain't forced. This joy came straight from the source. My joy got a sound too loud. I won't hush, I won't bow. If you ask me how I'm still around, my joy got a sound. I've been through the fire, but I didn't smell like smoke. I've been through the water, but I stayed afloat. Grace in my steps, peace in my talk. I'm not perfect, I'm walking with God. So I clap for the healing, clap for the freedom, clap for the days and have a reason. Now I got one, His love. And it's more than enough.